Good day everyone, this is Muhammad Ali Sultan and welcome to Sir Zen's channel. Okay, let us solve some mathematics problem. Number 1. How many line segments can be made from 30 non-collinear points? The choices are letter A, 900, letter B, 870, letter C, 450, and letter D, 435. Okay, from this stem, we notice that line segments and also 30 non-collinear points. Always remember that line segment composed of 2 points. Okay, line segment is composed of 2 points. This question is somehow relatable to the application of the combination method. Okay, combination method where we will find how many ways line segments or how many ways that 2 points can be made from 30 non-collinear points. Okay, because line segment has 2 points, right? Okay, so the formula for finding the combination, for finding the number of ways that can be made from 2 points that can be made from 30 non-collinear points is just like NCR. Okay, NCR, whereas the N is a total number of points and the R is the number of ways that we will be selecting or that we will be choosing from the 30 non-collinear points, right? Okay, so the formula for this is NCR is equal to n factorial over n minus r quantity factorial multiplied by r factorial. Okay, so just substitute the given value to our formula. So we have 30C2 is equal to 30 factorial over 30 minus 2 quantity factorial multiplied by 2 factorial. Always remember that factorial is just something like multiplication in ascending order. Okay, so we will start from the highest, that is the 30. So 30 multiplied by 29 multiplied by 28 multiplied by 27 until you reach multiplied by 1. So that is the application of the factorial. Okay, so just simply do the factorial method. Okay, the step-by-step or the procedures of factorial. So we have here the 30 multiplied by 29 multiplied by 28 factorial. So you notice that I stop at 28 factorial because in the denominator we have 28 factorial also. So that is came from 30 minus 2 factorial, right? So in this way we will just be cancelling out the 28 factorial in the numerator and also in the denominator. Okay, so that is just equal to 1. Okay, we notice also that 30 in the numerator and also the 2 factorial or equal to 2 in the denominator can be divided, right? 30 divided by 2 is just equal to 15, right? So the remaining is 15 multiplied by 29. Okay, so just multiply the 15, just multiply 15 and 29, then the result is equal to 435. So the number of ways or the number of line segment that can be made from 30 non-collinear points is 435, or the number of ways that 2 points can be made from 30 non-collinear points is 435. Okay, so that's all. Thank you for listening.